Action. Hey, wasn't that show awesome? Hey, Vector. Hey, Vector. What are some cool facts about the band 30 Seconds to Mars?
Here are some cool facts about 30 Seconds to Mars. 1. Formation. The band was formed in 2000. 2. Members. Jared Leno and his brother Shannon are the core members.
Oh, they're brothers?
3. Debut album. Their self-titled album was released in 2000. 4. Genres.
Awesome. Thank you, Beck. Wow, we made it. Sweet. Hey, Cletus came to say hi. Hey, that was an awesome show. Okay, bye.